Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 6 and we will present about syllabic consonant. Before I present the material, I will introduce our group member. I'm Nurhanisa as the first speaker, Nur Fadila as the second speaker, Sri Rahayuningsi as the third speaker, and Muhammad Reskiawan as the last speaker. Well, for minimize the time, I will present the topic. One of the well-known studies of syllabic and non-syllabic consonant in English is Jones. It is a competent, if unexciting, treatment of English syllabic consonant, notable mainly for a large collection of examples which are, as always with Jones, accurately observed. In this paper, we intend to study the syllabic consonant occurring in English in both their phonetic and phonology aspect. Well, this is non-syllabic consonant and syllabic consonant in phonetic aspect. One of the properties of consonant sound is said to be that some are always non-syllabic, while others may syllabic as well as non-syllabic depending on the phonetic context in which they occur. For example, B in English is said to be always non-syllabic in whatever phonetic context it may occur, as in be, hope, and about. My praise is said to be here implies to potential occurrence of the syllabic B in some case. Another consonant L, for example, is non-syllabic L in lead, male, cello, and tell, but is syllabic L in shuttle, fiddle, hackle, and tingle. The acritic is customarily used in phonetic notation to signify syllabicity. L is not the only consonant to occur either non-syllabic or syllabic in different phonetic contexts in English. And for the next is the term simplex and complex. To begin with, however, I need to explain two mutually associated technical terms I employ here and there in what follows in term of which I state where the syllabic consonant may be said to occur in so-called words. The two technical terms are simplex and complex. By the term simplex, its meaning is short for simplex word. It is a simple word, which by definition has no affix and is therefore not either a compound or a derivative.
Easy bond, the note RBM, CF, PN open and LPD3 result, which while elimination are not only in BN, CF, PN but even BM, CF, PM, APD 18 gives the notation RBM, while CPDBA gives the notation RBM, indicating that there is no N or M appears beginning with B in this or other phonetically relevant word. If B plus M does occur, one can of course account for the homogeneity between B and M. Laber 1994 to 2021 and gives an example of given I have added square brackets and as a representative. This is example which is a compound involves the process Bn credible Bm partially parallel to Pm credible Pm often cite to example of process which for example experience and often The difference between the two processes culminating in is of course that the first process involves emitting the incabin in a particular speech style, unlike in the case of the latter. It remains to be seen whether a similar process is possible in the same relevant speech style. In e.g., Caben-Crowe, Kn, and Cabe-Weber, MF, the latter may be, and so on, where in an etc. is a syllable. The latter example but is a compound, but the example don't have to be but can be a phrase, i.e. the cabin fire BM. One interesting example of occurring in a compound is given by Roach, 19,031. Alternate in APD 15 to APD 18A. The very top, which is to be pronounced homogeneity between consonant syllables and consonants that precede them looking at the list given above. It is clear that some of the order various consonant and consonant syllables indicate the homogeneity between consonant and syllable consonant, e.g. TL as in BDL bottle, while others, e.g. PL as in SPA flexible are not. The presence of homogeneity example were found in a relatively small number of cases in all 1 to 5. We might consider that the homogeneity occurs in DR, TR, and R, but not in GR if we assume that the place of articulation D, T, and R are similar by that R, so that both consonants in each sequence are pronounced post-alveolar. Homogeneity is of course absent in where glottal is pronounced in place of T, apical alveolar, as in for example the bottle BL quadin 1. There is a homogeneity between L and H of the preceding consonant I, T, D, theta, and as for the absence of an in BR, C and F, egg. Another example of homogeneity is TN as in BDN, DN as in Hayden, PM as in Clapham, Clapham, DM as the band, RBM, KN as in mid bacon. What happens articulately is as follows. In the case of TL and DL, lateral disengagement occurs while apicoalveolars closure is maintained E and L case. The apicoalveolar closure was maintained while the lateral release in velage closure were performed simultaneously. And in the case of KN, fluid disengagement occurs while velar dorsal closure is maintained. It is unclear to me if EG rebound the note RBM, CF, PN open in LPD3 result, which elimination are not only in BN, CF, PN but even BM, CF, PM, APD 18 gives the notation RBM, while CPDBA gives the notation RBM, indicating that there is no N or M. Appears beginning with B in this or other phonetically relevant word. If B plus M does occur, One can of course account for the homogeneity between B and M. Labor 1994 to 2021 and gives an example of given I have added square brackets and as a representative. This is example which is a compound influence the process Bn credible Bm partially parallel to Pm credible Pm often cite the example of process which for example experience an oven. The difference between the two processes culminating in is of course that the first process involves emitting the in-cabin in a particular speech style, unlike in the case of the latter. It remains to be seen whether a similar process is possible in the same relevant speech style. In e.g., cabin crew, KN, and cabby Weber, MF, the latter may be, and so on, where in NM, etc. is a syllable. The latter example but is a compound, but the example don't have to be but can be a press, i.e. the cabin caught fire BM. One interesting example of M occurring in a compound is given by Roach 19,031. Alternate in APD 15 to APD 18A. The third thought, which is to be pronounced must, which is more common, or PM said. Note the last pronunciation involves M in PM resulting from the omission of schwa P. I haven't found an example of this in other research writing. Incidentally, Raj 19,931 to 70, 19,021, 20,329, or in this case, on one of the EPD 15 to EPD 18 did not give the maximal result as pronounced. A potential case almost to the top. It seemed to me that potential pronunciation of TMC for the maximum can lead of confusion between NPM at the very top. For this reason, it is assumed that PM seat and not PMs may be unusual. Absence of homogeneity in a number of other cases, there is no homogeneity between syllables. Previous consonant and consonant. The case is shown as follows. As far as L is concerned, homogeneity does not exist between L and the various consonants that came before it. These consonants are P, B, M, F, V, theta, T, G, K, G, R, and we won't forget, which is a large number of consonants. As for homogeneity, does not exist between and the various consonants. The consonants whose number are quite large are P, B, F, theta, S, Z, T, T, D, K, and G. It is true that L and R the consonant syllables that occur most frequently in English. This is might be due to the fact that a large number of English words with begin or do not begin with T, D, or N, as well as those ending with N, either beginning or not with T or D. if possible to a lesser extent. This is, of course, a matter of lexical statistic that needs to be investigated.
Okay, I am Srihinengsi, and the next is the non-occurrence of L in favor of L or L. The occurrence of L is not attested in some cases where is made by absectic. This can be explained by coupling, and which is pronounced coupling, neither coupling nor coupling, where is coupling. V first part may be pronounced coupling as well as coupling or coupling, not also. In this connection, that coupler is pronounced coupling only, and the coupler or couplet only. Both LPD3 and LPD19 give the same indication in this respect. And differentiative use of the phonetic symbol A, E, having dealt with some generalities about the syllabic consonant according in English. I now wish to discuss a small number of specific issues which personally interest me. Some discussed in therefore in order in connection with the use of the italic phonetic symbol A, which is applied for a special purpose for a good number of words. The reason for using discriminately the two phonetic symbols A in E is clearly explained in LPD as follows in the note about optional sound. Sounds, so in italic are sounds which the foreign learner is recommended to include, although native speakers sometimes omit them. They denote sounds that may optimally be elided. The use of the phonetic symbol A and E in LPD3 in connection with syllabic consonant is clearly meant to serve a pedagogical purpose. It must be said that LPD is not only descriptive but pedagogical on at least a few matters such as epenthetic, plosives, elisions, and syllabic consonant. Not that this should be taken as a criticism. Successive occurrence of syllabic consonant. Practically all the words cited and discussed in this paper up to now are such that each word involves a single occurrence of a syllabic consonant. It is a few words in which two successive syllabic consonants occur, word finally or word medically. Word finally, national, literal, veteran, word medically, visionary. We recall another nation of national earlier presented corresponds to the pronunciation of national when N, L, and L all turn into N and L respectively, except that national and L turns not into national and L but into N, in which N occurs that there and there occurs only one syllabic consonant L.
And gives two relevant examples. Solicitor support as follows. The specification of formal utterance and informal utterance is important as being relevant to what I will say further below. Example, orthography from no solicitor will ever support than few. Formal utterance, no solicitor will ever support that few. Informal utterance, no solicitor ever support that few. Like that. The next is compression. A few words are in order at this point about what is called syncope, which correspond to one of the types of compression, a syllabic consonant plus non-syllabic consonant. However, this may not always be the case. For example, covariation, R to ER, EL occur in Haskell, but Hasley may be pronounced in was that Haslin, with L may co-vary with Haslin with L. In other words, in this example, Haslin is trisyllabic while Haslin is disyllabic. Compression is said to occur in Haslin to Haslin, in which process the number of the constituent syllable is reduced by one. But the phrase support is often a space. I think that's all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.